Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Tepeport.com. But before we get into the review, this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So link below in the description for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So I'm just going to say right off the bat that this website right here, guys, is a scam. So as you can see, there's another one of these websites that look like this, which is named OrSwap. So as you can see, this is Tepeport.com, and if you open up this website right here, OrSwap, it is exactly the same. So that's a major red flag right there. So both of these websites are a scam. So I'm just gonna exit out of that. And as you can see here on Trustpilot, they're rated 3.6 out of 5 stars. So one is the biggest fraud. Also sponsorship, company not React and Twitter, 1 star, seems to be a scam. So these right here are people who got scammed, asking me to pay $10 first. These are basically 5 stars here are most likely people behind this website right here, or they were paid by this website to give 5 stars here in Trustpilot, seems, because that seems to be the case here on Trustpilot. There are a lot of people who give 5 stars even though it's not real. So here also on malware tips, they expose the scam, and they also go over the scam overview. And as you can see, this is what they used to look like with Messi and Mr. Beast. And there are a lot of sites that look like this. So as you can see, zero transparency. They go over how the scam works and how the scam overview. So attracts users with promo offers and a lot more. So that is basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.